Hey guys, Corey here from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and today we're going to talk all about the all-new CARPRO Ultra Pad. So the CARPRO Ultra Pad comes in 3 different sizes: 3-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch. And this is going to be a cutting pad. As you might find from CARPRO, they call it the Ultra Polish Pad. When you go to carpro-us.com on our website, you're going to see it just say CARPRO Ultra Pad. It's not going to say polish pad, because while some countries use the word polish and compound interchangeably, we like to have that distinction. We feel like this is more of a cutting pad than a polish pad, and it is. You could say cutting pad or heavy polishing pad, but just so you understand, when you see ultra polish pad on the packaging, this is in fact a heavy cut, or a cutting to very heavy polishing pad. So this is the way the product comes. Like I said, 3-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch comes in the packaging with a little Ziploc style release. You can leave that closed. One thing that we noticed is that on the 6-inch size, when you first pull it out of the packaging, it squeezes it just slightly there, but it's not of concern. Just go ahead and pull it out, leave it there for 5-10 minutes, and you can see it's already regaining its shape perfectly. So we don't foresee that being an issue at all. As far as where this stands in the CARPRO lineup, like I said, it's a cutting pad, but where does that stand compared to everything else? Obviously, we had the CARPRO Flash Pad. That's been famous for years, but very dense, not so great on really tight curves and stuff. And then next we had the CARPRO Orange Polishing Pad. That is a true polishing pad. Decent cut, but all about the polishing stage. And then, of course, the CARPRO Gloss Pad. That's how the lineup existed until today. Today, we introduced the Ultra Pad, and that goes right here in between the Flash and this. While this is not a huge seller, the polishing pad is a huge seller, and we believe that, after using this for a little bit, we believe that the Ultra Pad is going to fill a big hole in the lineup. I think this is going to be a huge seller. I'm curious to see if it catches up with the orange. So obviously you've got the Gloss Pad, the Orange Polishing Pad, the Ultra Pad, and the Flash Pad. CARPRO also makes a microfiber pad and some wool pads, but we're going to stick to the focus on these right now for the video. As far as the foam itself, it's not nearly as dense as that Flash foam. It has some density, but you'll see it's got great rebound. This is a 90 ppi open cell foam, so it doesn't overheat. We have spent a little bit of time with it already, and we really like how the paint stays cool while it still gives you great cut and finishes down really nice, or certainly a lot nicer than a microfiber pad. You'll probably find that if you want perfect paint, you're going to end up coming back with a second step. If you're at all picky, you're going to want to do a second step with a finishing step and a finishing polish, or that orange polishing pad. But if you're just looking for a one-step product, then depending on the severity of the paint, you might use the maroon, or you might use the orange polishing. Just depends on what you're looking for to do and the paint itself. So as far as price goes, we've got the 3-inch at $7.59, the 5-inch at $10.99, and the 6-inch at $12.99. So obviously really great prices as usual with the CARPRO pads. And then one thing I want to point out is the size. If you compare any of these pads to the other pads, so apples to apples is 5-inch, 5-inch, 5-inch. What you'll find is obviously the backing is the important part. That needs to be the right size to connect with the backing plate. So those are quite close in tolerance. But what you'll find is out here on the surface of the pad, it's going to be quite a bit different, and that's because you have different thicknesses. This pad is not as thick as the new Ultra Pad. That's because of the thickness of the foam and the purpose that it's trying to achieve. The Ultra Pad actually has a really slightly thicker inner layer, and it's a very dense inner layer, really strong adhesive. So that's going to help you put up with any type of a little more aggressive cut and stuff like that some technicians will utilize. So when it comes to compounds, generally with a pad like this, you're going to use UltraCut, which makes sense. We've got the Ultra Pad, and then we've got the UltraCut from CARPRO. Obviously, if you already have other compounds that you love using, this will work great with those as well, regardless of what brand you use, Shoal Concepts or Oberk or Menzerno, Meguiar's, whatever you use out there. If you want to select the right compound or the right polish for this pad, then you want to lean towards a one-step to heavy cut compound, just depending on what you're trying to do. So in the CARPRO lineup, Fixer, ClearCut, UltraCut, all those are going to work really well with this. You're not typically going to use any other CARPRO polish on a pad this aggressive. If you're going to use Reflector Essence, then obviously you'd go with something like this or the gloss pad. All right, guys, I think that's everything I wanted to go over with this. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but if you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave those below. You're also welcome to reach out to us by email or phone anytime you want. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so, and we look forward to seeing you next time.